Unlock the secret to viral videos. 3 strategies you need to know. Hey everyone, it's Charlie. Today we're diving deep into the world of YouTube and how to make your videos go viral. We've all been there, right? You pour your heart into a video and it's like crickets. But trust me, there are some effective strategies to get those views skyrocketing. First, let's talk about the YouTube algorithm. That mysterious force that decides who sees your videos. We're going to cover everything from jumping on trends to telling stories that keep people hooked. Get ready to take notes. Ride the trend wave. Viral videos start here. So, you want your videos to go viral? It's all about leveraging trending topics. When something's trending, people are already talking about it, searching for it, and obsessed with it. How do you find these golden nuggets of trending content? Google Trends is your new best friend. It's like a giant mood ring for the internet, showing you what people are buzzing about right now. And don't forget about social media. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter are trend forecasting machines. Pay attention to hashtags, challenges, and viral moments relevant to your channel's niche. But here's the key. Don't just hop on a trend for the sake of it. Make it your own. Add your unique personality, style, and perspective. For example, if everyone's making videos about the latest celebrity gossip, maybe you could do a comedic skit or give your own hot take. The goal is to create content that's both relevant and uniquely you. That's how you stand out and send those views through the roof. Spill the tea, the art of storytelling. Let's be real, nobody wants to watch a boring video. To keep your viewers glued to the screen, you need to become a master storyteller. Think about your favorite movies and TV shows. What makes them so captivating? It's all about the story, the characters, the drama. Start by thinking about your video's message. What do you want your viewers to take away from it? Once you have a clear message, you can start crafting a story around it. Don't be afraid to get personal. People connect with authenticity. Share your own experiences, struggles, and triumphs. Let your viewers see your personality shine through. And remember, visuals are everything. No one wants to watch a talking head for hours on end. Spice things up with some fun graphics, animations, or even just some cool B-roll footage. Think about your favorite YouTubers. They're probably really good at making you feel like you're right there with them. That's the power of storytelling. Oh, and don't forget about humor. A well-placed joke or funny anecdote can go a long way in keeping your viewers entertained. Your goal is to create an experience for your viewers. You want them to feel something when they watch your videos. When you can evoke those emotions, you know you've created something truly special. So get out there and start telling your story. Chapter 3. SEO Secrets Get Found on YouTube. You've created an amazing video, but now what? You need to make sure people can actually find it. That's where SEO comes in, search engine optimization. Think of SEO as the secret code to getting your videos seen by the right people. It's all about using the right keywords, phrases, and tags so that YouTube knows what your video is about and who to show it to. Start by doing some keyword research. What are people searching for on YouTube that's related to your video's topic? Once you have a list of relevant keywords, sprinkle them throughout your video's title, description, and tags. But don't go overboard. Keyword stuffing is a big no-no. Use keywords naturally and strategically. Your video's thumbnail is also super important. It's the first thing people see when they're scrolling through YouTube, so make sure it's eye-catching and relevant. And don't forget about your video's description. This is your chance to give viewers a little more information about what your video is about and why they should watch it. And there you have it. Those are my top 3 tips for creating viral videos and taking your YouTube channel to the next level. Remember, it's all about staying on top of trends, telling captivating stories, and making sure your videos are SEO friendly. Don't be afraid to experiment, try new things, and see what works best for you and your audience. And most importantly, have fun with it. YouTube is an amazing platform for sharing your creativity and connecting with people from all over the world. So go out there, make some awesome videos, and who knows, maybe your next one will be the next viral sensation. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below letting me know which tip you're most excited to try out.